Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I am shouting out the best mattress protector on all of Amazon. You guys, this is from SafeRest. This is the one I use, and I trust SafeRest because they are actually registered with the FDA as a Class 1 medical device. This is a mattress protector that you can totally trust to be hypoallergenic, to really protect your mattress against allergens, against urine, against sweat, against all of those things that you want to keep away from your mattress. It's going to protect it. Plus, unlike other mattress protectors that I've used in the past, this one doesn't change the feel of your mattress. It doesn't feel like, you're sliding around on kind of like a plastic wrap, This is just like another cotton terry fitted sheet. It's super comfortable. It stays in place. I literally don't even notice that it's there. It's totally noiseless, you guys. Other mattress protectors, especially ones that really do a good job like this one does, you get that, you can hear it. You can hear it, moving, especially if you're like me and you toss and turn. And that can be really annoying and off-putting. This is totally silent. Like I said, it's made of really breathable cotton terry, and it's a fitted sheet, so it just goes right around your mattress, really easy. And it fits up to 18-inch deep mattresses. So even if you have kind of that like pillow topper or a deeper mattress, this is still gonna work for you. It's amazing. And you guys, SafeRest really stands by their product because they actually give you a 10-year warranty. That's insane. This is gonna last the same amount of time as your mattress. So go ahead, protect your mattress. That's a huge investment, so you wanna keep it protected. And this is just going to keep you even more protected from potential allergens, potential dirt, bacteria, all of that kind of stuff, and make you more comfortable when you sleep because you're gonna stay, just dry, have less allergies, and it's going to be breathable, comfortable, and noiseless. So go ahead. I love this one. Put it in your cart. You will be so happy that you did.